Welcome back to Data Engineering with Avaneeth. In the last video, we learned how to insert data into a BigQuery table using SQL. Today, we're going to take the next step and learn how to filter data in BigQuery using the where clause and the limit keyword. Let's start with the where clause. The where clause allows you to filter rows based on a condition. Instead of looking at the entire table, you can focus only on the rows that meet your criteria. For example, let's say we have our orders table, which has columns like order ID, customer ID, order date, and total amount. If we want to find only those orders where the total amount is greater than 300, we can write a query like this. Select from _project_id, sales data, orders where total amount greater than 300. This query will return only the rows where the value of total amount is more than 300. You can also use where with other conditions. For instance, if you want to find all orders placed on a specific date, say January 16, 2025, you can write select from _project_id, sales data, orders where order date equals the 16th of January 2025. You can even combine conditions using logical operators like in and or. For example, select from _project_id, sales data, orders where total amount greater than 200 and order date equals the 16th of January 2025. This will give you only the rows where both conditions are true. Now let's talk about the limit keyword. The limit keyword helps you control the number of rows returned by your query. This is especially useful when you're working with very large tables and just want to preview a small portion of the data. For example, select from _project_id, sales data, orders limit 2. This will return only the first two rows of the table. You can also combine where and limit. Suppose you want to see just the first two orders that have a total amount greater than 200. The query would look like this. Select from _project_id, sales data, orders where total amount greater than 200, limit 2. So to summarize, the where clause helps you filter rows based on conditions, while the limit keyword controls how many rows are displayed. Together, they give you a lot of flexibility in exploring and analyzing your data in BigQuery. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Data Engineering with Avaneeth for more data engineering tutorials.